Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide to healthy exercise. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, we've got tips and routines for every level. Let's get started. All right, let's talk about why exercise is so important. And I'm not just talking about fitting into those jeans for Friday night. Exercise makes you feel incredible inside and out. First up, it's like giving your heart a high five, making it stronger and pumping blood like a champ. That means less risk of heart disease, stroke, and all those scary things we don't like to think about. Next, exercise is like a sculptor for your muscles, chiseling them into shape and making you stronger. Strong muscles not only look good, but they also help you power through your day with more energy. And let's not forget about the mood boost. Exercise is like a natural antidepressant, flooding your brain with happy hormones that leave you feeling on top of the world. But wait, there's more. Regular exercise can seriously slash your chances of developing chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and even osteoporosis. It's like giving your body a suit of armor against these health villains. Now, how about we talk about weight management? Exercise is your best mate when it comes to burning those extra calories and keeping your weight in check. It's like hitting the reset button on your metabolism, helping you torch calories even when you're chilling on the couch. Sleepless nights got you down? Exercise can help with that too. Regular physical activity can improve your sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. And finally, let's give our brain some love. Exercise is like a brain-boosting smoothie, improving memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. So there you have it. Exercise is like the ultimate life hack, making you healthier, happier, and ready to take on the world. Now, let's break down the different types of exercise so you can find what gets you moving and grooving. We've got 4 main categories: aerobic, strength training, flexibility, and balance exercises. Let's dive into each one. First up, we've got aerobic exercise, also known as cardio. This is your heart-pumping, sweat-inducing workout that gets you breathing harder and your blood flowing. Think running, swimming, cycling, dancing, anything that gets your heart rate up for a sustained period. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week. Next, we've got strength training, the muscle-building powerhouse. This type of exercise involves using resistance to build and strengthen your muscles. Think lifting weights, using resistance bands, or doing body weight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions of strength training per week, targeting all major muscle groups. Now let's stretch it out with some flexibility exercises. Flexibility is all about improving your range of motion and preventing injuries. Think yoga, Pilates, or simply stretching your muscles regularly. Aim to stretch for at least 10 minutes each day, holding each stretch for 15 to 30 seconds. Last but not least, we've got balance exercises, the unsung heroes of fitness. Balance exercises help you improve your stability and coordination, which is especially important as we age. Think standing on one leg, walking heel to toe, or doing Tai Chi. Aim to incorporate balance exercises into your routine a few times a week. Remember, the best exercise routine is one that you enjoy and can stick to. So, mix and match these different types of exercise to create a workout plan that works for you. All right, team. It's time to put all this knowledge into action with some killer exercise routines. Don't worry, I've got you covered whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro. We'll start with a beginner-friendly routine, then level up to intermediate and advanced workouts. For our beginners out there, let's start with a gentle routine that gets you moving without feeling overwhelmed. We'll focus on body weight exercises that you can do at home with no equipment needed. Ready? Let's go. We'll start with a 5-minute warm-up, marching in place, arm circles, and gentle stretches. Now, for our workout: 10 squats, 10 push-ups against a wall, 20 seconds of high knees, 10 lunges per leg, and a 1-minute plank. We'll repeat this circuit twice, with a 1-minute rest between each round. Finally, we'll cool down with 5 minutes of stretching, holding each stretch for 30 seconds. Remember, listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Consistency is key, so even if you can only do a few repetitions at first, keep showing up, and you'll get stronger every day. Now, for our intermediate crew, let's kick things up a notch with a more challenging routine. We'll incorporate some light weights or resistance bands for this one. Ready to feel the burn? Let's do it. We'll warm up with 5 minutes of jumping jacks, high knees, and butt kicks. Now, for the main event, 12 squats with a light weight, 10 push-ups, 12 lunges per leg with a light weight, 15 seconds of mountain climbers, and a 1-minute plank. We'll repeat this circuit 3 times, with a 45-second rest between each round. To finish strong, we'll cool down with 5 minutes of stretching, focusing on our legs and core. Remember, proper form is crucial, so focus on quality over quantity. Push yourself, but don't be afraid to modify exercises if needed. All right, advanced athletes, this one's for you. Get ready for a high-intensity workout that will test your limits. We'll be incorporating plyometrics, compound movements, and minimal rest periods. Time to unleash your inner beast. We'll kick off with a dynamic warm-up. 5 minutes of high knees, butt kicks, arm circles, and lunges with a twist. Now brace yourselves for the main course. 15 jump squats, 12 push-ups with a clap, 15 walking lunges with a bicep curl using weights or resistance bands, 20 burpees, and a 90-second plank. We'll conquer this circuit 4 times with a quick 30-second rest between each round. To wrap things up, we'll cool down with 5 minutes of static stretching, focusing on all major muscle groups. Remember, listen to your body and take breaks when you need them. Consistency is key, so even if you can only do a few repetitions at first, keep showing up and you'll get stronger every day. We've talked about the benefits of exercise, the different types, and even some killer routines. But let's be real, the toughest part is often staying motivated and making exercise a habit. Don't worry, I've got your back. Here are my top tips for staying motivated and making fitness a part of your life for good. First things first. Set realistic goals. Don't try to go from zero to hero overnight. Start small, celebrate your victories, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Now let's talk about accountability. Grab a workout buddy, join a fitness class, or find an online community to share your journey with. Having someone to cheer you on and keep you accountable can make all the difference. Variety is the spice of life, and that goes for exercise too. Don't let your workouts become monotonous. Mix things up, try new activities, and find what keeps you engaged and excited to move your body. Remember those realistic goals we talked about? Track your progress. Whether it's logging your workouts, monitoring your weight, or simply noticing how much stronger you feel, tracking your progress can give you a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated. Don't forget to reward yourself. Celebrate those milestones, big or small. Treat yourself to a healthy meal, a new workout outfit, or an evening of relaxation. You deserve it. Make exercise a non-negotiable part of your routine. Schedule it into your day like any other important appointment, and stick to it as much as possible. Consistency is key. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy. If you hate running, don't force yourself to do it. Explore different options. Find something that brings you joy, and watch your motivation soar. And lastly, remember your why. Why did you start exercising in the first place? Was it to improve your health, boost your mood, or simply feel more confident? Whatever your reason, keep it at the forefront of your mind and let it fuel your fire. That's it for our guide to healthy exercise. Find what works for you and stick with it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and stay active.